Hello, thanks for joining me, Phil Spencer, here to share advice and top tips on home moving and improving. We've teamed up with Wickes to create a super useful House Move Heroes program. So stay tuned to find out how to take advantage of that. Now, if your bathroom's looking rather more shabby than spa, a new one might be on your home project list. It can add genuine value to your property, but it's often a tricky renovation to cost. So here is a quick guide to help you plan your bathroom renovation. Now, when budgeting any home renovation, remember costs are hugely affected by the size of your room, whether you go top spec or bargain hunter, and how much work you can do yourself. So always do your own research on this. Wickes, however, does offer a comprehensive fitting service, which can make life a whole lot easier. Of course, designing a bathroom is very much a collaborative process. So before you start, really take time to properly think through the features and facilities that are important to you. Your designer may come up with some clever ideas or creative alternatives that you hadn't considered, but if you're clear about certain features, it gives them the best starting point. A new bathroom renovation in the UK can cost upwards of £6,000, but it's certainly possible to renew your space for less or to spend much, much more. Fitting a small to medium-sized bathroom might take a plumber 2 to 3 days if you're not changing the layout of your older bathroom, so that could be cheaper. But do bear in mind if you need help removing your existing bathroom fittings. Tiling can take anywhere from 1 to 5 days, depending on obviously how much of the room you're covering and the condition of your existing walls. Make sure the tiles you choose are suitable for each surface. Anything on the floor should be non-slip. The cost of your new shower will really depend on how basic or how fancy you go for. Electric showers which fit to the wall, a link to the cold water mains only, and heat water on demand can be a much more cost-effective option. They're quick and easy to fit, but may not always be that powerful. For a proper blast, you'll need a power shower. These connect to an internal pump to ensure water flow is consistent and high pressure. Bear in mind that power showers aren't always compatible with combi boilers and need to be connected to both hot and cold water supplies. Don't forget, you'll also need to buy a shower enclosure and tray, which is sometimes not included in the price of cheaper shower units. Next, the bath, potentially the centrepiece of your room. These days, a bathroom basin can be as much a design statement as the bath, crafted from materials like glass, copper, marble or stone. There's so many options. If it's not a freestanding basin with its own pedestal, you'll need something to support it, so factor in a shelf or storage unit to go with this. Taps can be a surprising extra cost. The cheapest are pillar taps, where you have a separate tap for hot and cold, and you can find all variations of taps. You will of course need a loo. A simple toilet won't break the bank, but more designer type models which float from the wall and conceal pipework will be more expensive. And finally, don't forget the extras and bathroom furniture. Will you need a new radiator, a heated towel rail, or underfloor heating perhaps? You may need to replace your extractor fan and lighting too, and perhaps set a bit aside for decorations to add the finishing touch. And don't overlook the all-important storage solutions to maximize your room size. Make use of your vertical space, recesses, and any underutilized areas with clever space-saving products. Whether you're renovating a small bathroom and need some ideas, giving your family bathroom an overhaul, or adding finishing touches to a small downstairs space, Wickes Bathroom Collection gives you options whatever the size of your home or style preference. We've got all your home move and renovation essentials both in-store and online. And do sign up for the House Move Heroes program if you haven't done so already. We've got lots more advice there for you too.